Time new details ahead of the marathon bombings trial. Delay denied. Attorneys for Johar Tsarnaev were asking for this week's jury selection to be put on hold in view of the terror attacks in Paris. But this morning, the judge said the proceedings will go on. Eyewitness News reporter Todd Wallace joins us now with the latest.
And Patrick, the lawyers wanted the court to suspend the jury selection process for at least a month to give what they are calling the anger and prejudice from the Paris attacks time to settle down. But this morning, the judge essentially said no.
Defense attorneys say too much of a parallel has been made between the year-and-a-half-old Boston Marathon bombings and the terror attacks in Paris just last week, and that is why they want to delay. But this morning, Judge George O'Toole Jr. turned down that request. The judge writes, after review, the defendant's motion to suspend jury impanelment is denied and that no response from the government is necessary. The judge went on to state that his review of juror questionnaires has so far confirmed my judgment that a fair and impartial jury can and will be chosen. The defense has concerns because they say almost immediately after the Paris attacks, comparisons were made between the Kouachi and Tsarnaev brothers. Boston Strong became the slogan of unity after the marathon bombings. And in the last week, we've seen the slogan, Je suis Charlie, used to rally around the victims of the Paris attacks. Johar Tsarnaev's lawyers claim they were going to struggle to find an impartial jury in Boston originally, and they wrote this in their motion to the court. Clearly, the judge disagrees.
Also important to note, there have been two previous attempts by defense attorneys to have the trial delayed and moved out of Boston, and in those, the judge also denied those requests. Todd Wallace, Eyewitness News.